Good morning. It's 7:45 on the edge of the Sahara. We shall be getting there today at Merzouga, but we're just watching that sunrise. It's beautiful. Last night we had some rain. The clouds broke away and had a wonderful sunset. In the far distance there, it's the Atlas Mountains.
The gates swing wide, the journey's begun.
Not a cloud in the sky today.
Under skies where
I seem to be standing on some unfinished building work from many years ago. The old village, and they've taken the bricks and reused them. It spreads right across to the horizon now. I don't know what it is. In the far distance, smoke from a sort of fire just burning rubbish on their own. Turn around towards the village. And this amazing sunrise. Look at this. And there is our gîte where we ate the first night. Last night we had some lonti prepared by Catherine. Oh, there we are, fellas. I've got that lovely sunrise getting on the bald head. We're going to have a little bit of breakfast, cup of coffee. And I think today, if our friend is feeling better, we're going to head down to Merzouga. I'd initially thought about the Gazelle Blue, but the Rose de Sable looks a little bit better. There's no wall around the parking. We're just open to the Sahara Dunes, so that might be an experience. Try and get a ride into the desert on a four-wheel drive, and maybe a night in a Bedouin tent. Look at that sunrise there. It's just got about there now. So if I stand here long enough, it should light up the beard. Anyway, let's get on with this road trip to, not to, we're in Morocco, but let's get on with this road trip around Morocco. I'm just going to have a little walk through this village that we stayed in for a couple of nights. It is so... I see many films on TV of African villages, but this is just the same. It's unbelievable. Look at this. This is a typical wall that they build down here. They use the stone. This is better. Look here. Look. Stone, mud, and straw. That's very typical. They use the stone. There's stone everywhere, and they use the sandy mud and stuff a load of straw in it and build their walls.
The daylight dies, a million.
I'll look up the name of this village. I can't bring it to mind at the moment, but I'll leave the name at the bottom of the screen so you can see where we're at. It's a little village on the N13 heading down from Erg Chebbi to Merzouga. The poverty here is everywhere. Is that going to be a castle, or is that the windows? Who knows? The sun is just creeping up over the horizon. It's been a bit of an eye-opener for me, and I hope this video will give you a bit of an insight in the depths of the south of Morocco, heading down towards the Sahara Desert.
Under skies where the sun and the stars become one. past the valleys where the earth meets the sky. The road stretches out as the miles roll.
Now we're entering into the Sahara region. This is, we learnt yesterday, there are two types of desert. We're going through the desert of rock desert, and there is the sandy desert. So there's two types of desert in Morocco.
Oh, Merzouga, we're coming for you with hearts full of fire and skies oh so blue. Through the heat and the haze we chase the light to sleep under heaven so endless and bright. The landscapes shift like a painter's delight. From rocky hills to the dunes dressed in white, our eyes behold what our souls have sought. A world carved in sun in the sands of thought. The wind sings soft through the palms in the breeze. The golden waves dance as far as we see. We're lost in the beauty, we're lost in the sand, with the whole wide world here in our hands. Oh, Merzouga, we're coming for you with hearts full of fire and skies oh so blue. Through the heat and the haze we chase the light to sleep under heaven so endless and bright. The stars wake up as the daylight dies. A million fires in the desert skies. We're part of the story, we're part of the dream, where the earth touches magic, or so it seems. So here's to the road, to the dreams we keep, to the desert's embrace and the night so deep. From Berg's dawn to Merzouga's grace, we'll carry this wonder in every place. Hotel Burgess fades in the dawn's early light. Our wheels hit the road, the desert in sight. The gates swing wide, the journey's begun. Under skies where the sun and the stars become one. Past the valleys where the earth meets the sky. The road stretches out as the miles roll by. Every turn is a promise so sweet of the sands and the dreams we're about to meet. Oh, Merzouga, we're coming for you with hearts full of fire and skies oh so blue. Through the heat and the haze we chase the light to sleep under heaven so endless and bright. The landscapes shift like a painter's delight. From rocky hills to the dunes dressed in white, our eyes behold what our souls have sought. A world carved in sun in the sands of thought. The wind sings soft through the palms in the breeze. The golden waves dance as far as we see. We're lost in the beauty, we're lost in the sand, with the whole wide world here in our hands. Oh, Merzouga, we're coming for you with hearts full of fire and skies oh so blue. Through the heat and the haze we chase the light to sleep under heaven so endless and bright. The stars wake up as the daylight dies. A million fires in the desert skies. We're part of the story, we're part of the dream, where the earth touches magic, or so it seems. So here's to the road, to the dreams we keep.
Well, this is probably the highlight of the trip. We are in the Sahara Desert. So as you can see behind me, we've got one or two other campers here. There's not many at all. We're in the Rose de Dune. They camp in the Rose de Dune. We've got the sun right in my eyes, can't see you. Anyway, look at that behind me, fellas. Tomorrow we're going to go on a four-wheel drive trip and go around this dune. It's 30 miles long. Going to see some traditional music makers and stop in a shepherd's house, eat a nice pizza. Maybe they're going to let me have a little go in the sand, I don't know, but it's fantastic here. 32 degrees and we're the end of October, the 30th of October. Apparently yesterday there was a lot of wind. Today no wind, beautiful sun, and there we go. We've made it. The old camping car's made it all the way down to the Sahara Desert. So hats off to him, Brian, the old camping car. Anyway guys, thanks for watching Itchy Wheels and sticking with me on this adventure around Morocco. Mustafa was just telling me it's the biggest dune in this desert. The desert is made up of quite a few dunes, and this is the largest one.
The stars wake up as the daylight dies. A million fires in the desert skies. We're part of the story, we're part of the dream, where the earth touches magic, or so it seems.
Moi, je veux pas.
Qu'est-ce que tu penses?
C'est immense, c'est grandiose, c'est beau, c'est magnifique. Il n'y a pas de mots. Magique.
Avec un coucher de soleil.
To the desert's embrace.